Hi, I'm Caleb Harbert. I'm the founder of the Service Estimator, but also I own Precision Cut Lawn Service out of the Indianapolis market. I had a friend on Facebook contact me and ask me how I do my lawn care quotes, and I told him it'd be easier if I just sent it to him directly through our tool. So that's what you guys get to do with me. Since he's not actually a client, I'm going to make him a new one. So bear with me while I put all this info in. And then I'm going to send it to him from my default plugin, which is all of my services. I don't need to put in the grass tall or anything like that because, again, I'm just doing it so he can see how we quote and he can see if that's how he wants to do it for his own property. So then you just map the property real fast, like that. There you go. So it's his whole property. Click the green check mark. Again, I'm going to just tell him these are the prices so that he can see it. And then click send to him. Say submit. And if you saw, in the matter of less than 2 minutes, I just sent my friend a quote. But what's even cooler is, let's say he says, hey, I didn't get it, or I got spam filtered. You can literally just click copy the URL, go over here, text it to him, and when you do, it just takes him directly to the quote where he can see the map, see all the prices. If he has any questions, he can either leave a comment if he was accepting it, but he's not going to, or he can go over here and click ask a question. And if you put in the information in here, it'll email you all the info, and it's pretty easy to go from there. All right, that's it. So again, it's the Service Estimator. We're a plugin for your website that lets you automatically send quotes or provide clients quotes for their homes. But then on top of that, you can send out quotes directly to clients simply, easily, and with just a couple clicks of the mouse. Thanks. Bye.